In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a specific monitor with Sharex. If you use multiple displays and need a clean, full-screen screenshot of just one of them, this walkthrough will show you the quickest, most reliable way to do it using Sharex's built-in monitor capture option. Start by opening Sharex from your desktop or the Start menu. When it's running, you may also see its icon in your system tray. Having Sharex open ensures its menus and capture tools are ready to respond right away. With Sharex open, look to the top left sidebar and click Capture. This is the hub for all of Sharex's capture modes, things like region, window, scrolling, and monitor. We're focusing specifically on the monitor option because it grabs the entire screen of one display without you needing to draw a selection or worry about aligning edges. Now hover your mouse over the monitor item in that capture menu. Don't click immediately. Hovering reveals a submenu listing each connected display, typically labeled Monitor 1, Monitor 2, and so on. These labels mirror your operating system's display order, so the primary screen is usually listed first. If you use an extended desktop with two or more screens, this makes it effortless to target the exact one you want. When the list appears, select the specific display you want to capture, such as Monitor 1 or Monitor 2. As soon as you click the monitor name, Sharex will take a full-resolution screenshot of that entire display. What happens next depends on your existing Sharex settings. It may copy the image to your clipboard, save a file to your default screenshots folder, open the image in the Sharex editor for quick annotations, or even upload it to your preferred destination. Watch for the small Sharex notification near your system tray to confirm the capture and see where it went. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the submenu closes unexpectedly, make sure you're hovering over monitor long enough for the list to appear before selecting your display. If the monitor names don't match what you expect, remember they follow your system's display order. For the cleanest results, tidy up the target screen ahead of time by minimizing unnecessary windows on that display. The capture will reflect exactly what's visible on that monitor at the moment you make the selection. That's all there is to it. Open Sharex, click Capture, hover over Monitor, and choose the display you need. With this approach, you'll get pixel-perfect, full-screen screenshots of a single monitor every time.